Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be reviewing two Ryobi gas pressure washer surface cleaner. With these attachments, you can clean your patio or driveway very quickly. You can do the cleaning in about a quarter of the time compared to using a regular spray nozzle. So let's get started. Now the reason there are three surface cleaners here is because the red one you see here on the left side is an old one I've had for over 10 years. That one's made by a company called Easy Clean, and the cleaning diameter is 15 inch, and it has worked very well. But this year when I pulled it out and tried using it, the spinning spray nozzle at the bottom is not able to clean the surface as well as before. Now I did take it apart, grease the fittings, and clean the nozzles, but that didn't fix it. That's why I picked up these two Ryobi surface cleaners. Now the one in the middle here is also 15 inch, just like the Easy Clean. And the overall design of both of them are very similar. The difference between the middle one and the one on the right is the one on the right has a larger cleaning diameter, and that one is 16 inch. Now one more feature the 16 inch surface cleaner has are 4 caster wheels, which will make maneuvering very easy. Without wheels on a 15 inch surface cleaner, you will have to put more effort in pushing it forward and back or side to side. Let me give you a closer look of these two cleaners. At the top is where you connect the spray wand, and you can pivot this. I'll turn this around. Here you see the two spray nozzles, and if I measure this, it's 11 inch from one nozzle to the other. Now the reason they're calling this a 15 inch surface cleaner is because when it sprays out, the water will come out and widen, giving you a 15 inch cleaning path. And it does the cleaning by spinning this very fast. Also, you'll notice there's a brush guard around the edge. When you use this, you're pushing and pulling on the surface. Now let's take a look at this 16 inch surface cleaner. Again, in the middle, this is where you connect the wand, and there are 4 caster wheels here, and this gray surface is rubber padded. Now turn this around. Now measure the width of the two nozzles, and it's 13 inch, and just like the other one, this spins. Now this also has a brush guard around the edge, but if you look at the caster wheel, it's raised slightly higher than a brush. And that's how it's able to glide around on the surface. Also, the recommended PSI is 2700 to 3700 PSI. With a Ryobi 15 inch surface cleaner, the recommended PSI is 2500 to 3300. Now this is made for gasoline pressure washer and not electric ones. The gas pressure washer I'll be using is a Simpson 3000 PSI 2.4 gallons per minute pressure washer. Here I'll be cleaning my back patio. As you can see, there's a lot of mildew. It's very dirty. I've already gone ahead and removed all the patio chairs and tables. Now to show you the difference in cleaning, I'll first use a 25-degree spray nozzle, then I'll switch to the Ryobi 15 inch surface cleaner, followed by the Ryobi 16 inch surface cleaner. On the left side, I clean it with a regular spray nozzle, and the width of that is about 6 to 7 inch. Also, you can't go very fast, so it takes a lot longer. The middle one is a 15 inch surface cleaner. It was able to clean a wider path much quicker. Now keep in mind, it's using 2 spray nozzle compared to 1. And on the far right is a 16 inch surface cleaner with the wheels. As you notice, the line is not as straight, but that's because with the wheels, they tend to move around a lot easier. But I can tell you, it takes no effort in moving it around. So that'll definitely cut down the time you spend on cleaning a surface. As you can see, both the 15 inch and 16 inch surface cleaner work equally well at cleaning. Now I'll go ahead and clean this entire surface using the 16 inch surface cleaner. I'll also time how long it'll take me to clean the surface. As you can see, the cleaning took only 4 minutes. Here's what it looks like next day. As you can see, it's very clean. So what's the final verdict on these two surface cleaners? Well, both of them work very well at cleaning, but with a 16-inch cleaner, you do have a wider cleaning path, and the 4 caster wheels definitely make the job very easy. Now, this video is not being sponsored by Home Depot, but I want to share with you these great tools that will help clean your driveway or back patio. Now, the retail price on the 15-inch surface cleaner is $88, and the 16-inch is $160. I personally think the extra cost of the 16-inch is worth it, but I'll let you decide. Both of these can be picked up from HomeDepot.com, so check out their website. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.